Mayor? Meredith, can you hear us? She's not deaf. Well, she looks...
Deaf. Deaf.
She's not deaf. Well, she looks...
Who transferred him? I don't have any paperwork, any transfer documents.
Give me a break. We shuffle rooms all the time.
Shuffle. Shuffle.
We shuffle rooms all the time.
It's improved the quality of life in a lot of my paralysis patients.
We toyed with the idea a few years ago.
It's not for us.
Well, maybe we should revisit it.
Revisit. Revisit.
Well, maybe we should revisit it.
Improves your quality of life. You know, you'd be like girls your own age. You'd be in control of your own bladder, no messy bags.
Bladder. Bladder.
You'd be in control of your own bladder, no messy bags.
You're like a broken record. God, you're only ever nice or friendly or anything when it's convenient for you. So,
Convenient. Convenient.
or friendly or anything when it's convenient for you. So,
What's this for again?
medical journals, monthly case reports.
Annual banquet highlight reels.
Banquet. Banquet.
Annual banquet highlight reels. Annual banquet highlight reels.
Shutter. Shutter.
A portion of the intestine is used to enlarge the bladder. And then we construct a pathway to a hole in the belly button.
Pathway. Pathway.
And then we construct a pathway to a hole in the belly button.
We got
General Levine sign. EKG shows ST elevations in the inferior leads.
Elevation. Elevation.
General Levine sign. EKG shows ST elevations in the inferior leads.
Ew, is that rectal jelly on your scrubs?
Jelly. Jelly.
Is that rectal jelly on your scrubs?
Red, begin fire protocol. Move, people! We need wet towel. No matter, disconnect the electrical lead.
Disconnect. Disconnect.
No matter, disconnect the electrical lead. Move, people! We need wet towel. No matter, disconnect the electrical lead. Got it. Let's go, Monkey. Any unknown?
Rookie. Rookie.
Any unknown?
Just want to find out if she's okay.
She's not. She's a human traffic accident, and everybody's slowing down to look at the wreckage.
Wreckage. Wreckage.
And everybody's slowing down to look at the wreckage.
I've never even been kissed. I'm like the oldest living prospective college freshman.
Perspective. Perspective.
I'm like the oldest living prospective college freshman.
Maybe I have. But leave Mr. Herman alone. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Ashamed. Ashamed.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I will not be Meredith Grey. I busted my ass to get here, and people won't make allowances for me.
This is not about making allowances, and you know that.
Allowance. Allowance.
This is not about making allowances, and you know that.
She's out of my life. It's taken care of.
I must say, this is remarkable progress. I applaud both of you.
Applaud. Applaud.
Remarkable progress. I applaud both of you.